that we want to see a deliberate and concerted effort by our Muslim brothers and sisters towards preaching and promoting religious tolerance and stemming radicalization of the youth. We must move beyond merely condemning the spate of attacks targeting non-Muslims to initiating practical steps to the sympathizers of terror and helping us to build bridges between faiths and communities.
The war against terrorism calls for the concerted effort of all Kenyans because the perpetrators sometimes lurk within our communities. We must be patriotic to expose and report them, regardless of their religion, because they hurt us, our friends, and indeed our relatives.